In question number 5, it is write the following numbers in expanded form. First is 20.03. So here 0 is written as units place, means ones place, and 2 is the digit which is written on the place of tens. So write here 2 into 10 plus this 0 is now multiplying in this plus this 0 is here at the place of tenth, 1 upon 10. Here 3 is placed at the value of 100 and multiply by 1 upon 100. This is the expanded form of 20.03. It is 200.03. So you can see 2 is here as hundreds. So 2 into 100 plus 0 is placed as tens. So 0 into 10 plus 0 is as ones. 0 into 1 plus 0 is as 1 tenth. So multiplied by 1 upon 10 and plus 3 is written as 100th. So multiply by 1 upon 100. This is the expanded form of the numbers. Write the place value of 2 in following decimal numbers. You can see here 2 is placed as ones place. Here 2 is written after decimal number and this is the 10th place. Tenths. And then here it is 63.352 and 2 is placed as thousandth digit. So right here thousandth digit. In question number it is said Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? It is said in the question that Dinesh travelled from A to B and A is 7.5 km from B. So this distance is 7.5 km and B is 12.7 km from C. So this is 12.7 km and Ayub went in this direction, Dinesh went in this direction. So Ayub went from A to D, then from D to C. D is 9.3 km from A. So this is 9.3 km and C is 11.8 km from D. 11.8 km from D. So we have to find out which one person travelled more. So find the total distance travelled by Dinesh. Is equal to A to B plus B to C. A to B is 7.5 km, B to C is 12.7 km. Now add these numbers. You can see there is error section, so add 7.5 and 12.7. It is very simple to add decimal numbers. Keep one thing in your mind, you have to put this decimal sign after just below the first. So add these numbers. 7, 5, 12, carry 1 and this is 20.2. This is 20.2. Now 12.2 kilometer. Total distance traveled by Ayub. Now find total distance traveled by Ayub. Ayub traveled from A to D, then D to C, and A to D is 9.3 kilometer and D to C is 11.8 kilometer. When you add these two numbers, you will get, again check, 1.3 and 11.8. 8 and 3 becomes 11. 9 1 10 and 1 11, again 21.1, and the sum becomes 21.1 kilometer. Now this is the total distance traveled by Ayub and this is the total distance traveled by Dinesh. Which one is greater? 21.1. 21.1 is greater than 20.2, obviously. So you can write your answer. Ayub traveled more than Dinesh. Ayub traveled more than Dinesh, and it is said that you have to find how much distance he traveled more than Dinesh. So Ayub has traveled 21.1 kilometer and Dinesh has traveled 20.2 kilometer. 21.1 kilometer and 20.2 kilometer. When you subtract, you can see there it is 0.9 kilometer or 900 meter. You can write this too. So Ayub traveled it is V, more than Dinesh, this is H, by 900 meters. This is your answer. We have one more question. Shyama bought 5 kilogram 300 gram apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram oranges and 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? You can see the weight of the fruits are given in kilogram and in grams. So to add these numbers, we have to convert the total weight in kilogram first. What we do? See, Shyama bought, right here, Shyama bought 5 kilogram 300 gram apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. And to calculate the total, we have to add these numbers, add these weights. So what to do? Right, in kilogram, the weight of the fruits is the weight of the fruits is 5 kilogram plus this 300 gram has to be converted in kilogram, and to convert this gram you have to divide this by 1000. So 300 upon 1000 kilogram. Now it is converted into kilogram plus 3 kilogram and plus 250 upon, again you have to write here 1000 kilogram. You have 5 kilogram plus 0.3 kilogram plus 3 kilogram and plus it is 0.25 kilogram. Divide this, you will get answer 0.25 kilogram. Now when you add all these weights, you will get 5 plus 3 becomes 8. So 8 kg plus 0.3 and 0.25 becomes 0.55 kilogram. Check it, you will get the same answer. And the total weight becomes 8.55 kilogram. Same as we have to calculate the total weight of the fruits bought by Sarla. Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram oranges and 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. Now in kilogram, total weight of fruits is, it is 4 kilogram 800 gram. So you can write here 4 kilogram and 800 gram can be written as 800 upon 1000 kilogram, and it is 4 kilogram 150 upon 1000 kilogram. When you divide this gram by 1000, it becomes kilogram. Now it is 4 kilogram. Now it becomes 0.8 kilogram. It is 4 kilogram and it is 0.15 kilogram. Add these numbers, add these weights, you will get 4 and 4 becomes 8. 8 plus 0.8 and 0.15. When you add these numbers, you will get 0.95 kilogram, and this is equal to 8.95 kilogram. This is the total weight of the fruits bought by Sarla, and 8.55 kilogram is the weight of the fruits bought by Shyama. So which one is greater? This one. So you can say Sarla bought more fruit. Sarla bought more fruits. Sarla bought more fruits.